Somebody in your team already typed this address once. Now they are typing it again into a contract from a record that is already has it. Watch what replaces that. This is an offer, buyer, seller, property address, purchase price, effective date, the type of payment. We will just check one box and wait for the document to appear in the contract field. This is the contract on the same row. Nobody opened the template. Nobody typed a field. Nobody went looking into the download folder. And here is what the document looks like at SignNow. Here is the buyer name, seller name, the address, the price, and the effective date. This is just a template that you can send later to the client for signing. This is a real estate offer because that is the client I built it for. The pattern does not care. The source can be Airtable, Google Sheets, Notion, Monday, HubSpot, or your own database. The document can be SignNow, DocuSign, PandaDoc, and any PDF template that you already use. If your team fills the same document with different values, contracts, proposals, statements of work, onboarding packets, NDAs, purchase orders, insurance forms, this is the same machine. Under the hood, it's a handful of steps. Read the record, format the values, copy the template, write the fields, pull the finished file, put it back where the team already works. I'm not gonna walk you through the setup here. Here is why it matters. 10 minutes per contract sounds like nothing. 10 contracts a week is more than 8 hours a year to somebody retyping data you already own. And hours are the cheap part. The expensive part is the wrong price on a signed document. 6 fields is a demo. I built the production version of this for a real estate client. 1 contract, more than 100 fields, text, dates, money, and dozens of checkboxes that have to land at the right line. At that size of work, it's not clicking through an automation builder, it's the mapping. Which record column feeds which document field, what happens when a value is empty, and how you prove every box is right before a client sees it. That is the part people hire out. So here is the offer. Send me one blank document and tell me where the information lives today. I will tell you what can be filled automatically, what will fight you, and what it takes to build. One template with a short field list is a fixed price job. First link in the description, 100 field contract, several templates, or we tried and the fields came out blank, is a custom build. Second link, either way, stop paying people to type things you already have.